me test your knowledge about Europe. Can you name all 3 of these European landmarks? You probably recognized the Eiffel Tower in Paris and the Colosseum in Rome. But do you know this important building? This is one of 3 good reasons to come to Europe. It's the home of the EMA, the European Medicines Agency, in Amsterdam. One agency whose approval gives you access to 450 million patients. Big Pharma already is here. So why should a small and medium company come to Europe? And more specifically, why should it run trials here? If reason number 1 is the EMA, what are the other 2 good reasons to come to Europe? Reason number 2 is the 450 million patients, all of whom have health insurance and access to a high standard medical system. For rare and orphan diseases where you may have trouble recruiting patients, adding Europe to your trial will help you to achieve your targets. Although, beware, you will need an official European legal representative when doing trials in Europe. Reason number 3 is that adding Europe to your trial will sharpen the profile of your drug. It will create awareness amongst the global medical scientific community, and it will boost your credibility not only with the EMA, but also with the national authorities. Well, yes, you still have to deal with national authorities when doing clinical trials in Europe. We are 27 countries and 24 official languages, and in each country you not only have to deal with the national authority, but with up to several ethics committees. It isn't easy getting your trial approved. But once you have found your way through this jungle, and you have shown that you understand European regulations and you work with European hospitals, that can make obtaining market approval a lot smoother. Sounds really worth extending your trial to Europe, but also pretty tough. Not if you have an experienced partner who guides you through this maze. And this is where we as ExperTrials come in. We are a strong and experienced team with expertise in many therapeutic areas. We can be as important to you as your drug can be to your patients. We know how things work here, and our main mission is helping small companies to run their trials in Europe. We can be your European legal representative, and we will give your trial the focus it may struggle to obtain from a big CRO. You wouldn't try to climb Everest without an experienced local guide. At least you shouldn't. Let ExperTrials be your European guide. Contact us and find out what we can do to make your European expedition one to remember for all the right reasons.